Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change country on Amazon, okay, on your app, on Amazon app that you are using on your iPhone or Android phone. Now I'm going to be showing you guys two ways because some people the first method is not going to work for everyone. That's why I'm showing you guys two methods. So the first way, guys, is to click on these three little lines at the very bottom right, and then it will take you to here. You want to scroll down and then you want to click on where it says settings. You want to click on settings, as you can see here, and then you want to click on country and language, and here you can change your country. If you can find all the information here, that's good. Some people, they will not be able to find this information here. I'm going to be showing you guys the second method. Now for people who can find country, region / region, they can change the country here. Select any country, for example Canada or any country. You can also change the currency here to that country if you want. You can change the language. After you are done, click on done. Now for people who have a problem, it doesn't work, click on this like a person here, as you can see, this profile, and then you will see a country with a flag in the top right, and then you can click on that and then change it to another country. Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.